Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to clean up or archive your old tweets in bulk and you are wondering how to do so in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process and discussing about it. So let's get started. Start by opening up Twitter, the Twitter application on your device, and once you open it up, if you want to delete your tweet, what you need to do is you need to remove them from the public view or you need to delete it. So for that, go to your profile in the top left, tap on it. Once you tap on here, you should be finding different options available. You can go to your profile from here. You may go ahead and look at the profile option and tap on it. And that should lead you to your profile with all of the posts available. Now, if you want to delete it or archive it, you just need to head over the post and look out for the three dot right beside it and tap on it. And when you tap on it, you find an option to delete post. And if you're trying to delete like by selecting all of the posts in a bulk, it is not possible yet. You need to use third-party applications for that or automate cleanup. So what you can do is you can basically go over to your settings. Head back to the main page and look out for your profile option or settings icon in the top right corner and tap on it. After that, you can just go over and open up your settings, scroll down, find settings and privacy and drop it down and tap on it. And once you go over here, you can go over the option called your account and tap on it. And then once you go over here, you can select the option of downloading an archive of your data. So find that option and tap on it. And here you will be getting insights of your archived data, the zip file security for your Dropbox, Google Docs, etc. You can just go ahead and save up the zip file available from the space right here. And once you do so, once you save it up, you can just head back to your profile, go to your profile, and from there you can just go ahead and manually delete the post that you would like to archive. And that's it. So you can confirm this method up. You can try out this method. This is the method available if you want to do it within Twitter. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.